interesting part of it is that it is made up of waste materials. So as you can see, the upper part of it is made up of fabric bag and plastic spoons. So and the lower part is made up of poly bags and plastic spoons. And you may be thinking that how can the plastic spoon become in like oval shapes and petals? So I cut the oval part of the plastic spoons and sticked it. And you also may be thinking that how did I get it in this color? So I took my spray paint and sprayed it all everywhere. So I hope you all like it. And remember that when you throw out waste, you have to make interesting things with it instead of throwing it. So I hope you all like it. Thank you. Dress and hat is made out of bunting paper, newspapers, gift bags. My flower is made out of straw and plastic flower. My bangle is made out of pasta. Thank you. My dress is made of newspaper, which is a recyclable material. It helps us to prevent us from pollution, saves money, water and energy, conserves natural resources like water, wood and minerals. Thank you. Is made up of red and black recycled bags. See, my band, my bangles, my earrings and my dress is made up of red and black recycled bags. We have to reuse plastic bags. Thank you. I'm studying in grade 2C. Today I am talking about eco-friendly material cardboard. Cardboard boxes was first developed in England. They are made up of thick sheet. It litter box, etc. Thank you. Hi everyone, I am Sidiksha from 2D. This is my wonderful recyclable dress. This dress is made with recycling things. I hope you all like it. Thank you. My dress is eco-friendly and it is not harmful to the environment. Hello, my name is Aaron. My class is 2B. My dress is made of plastic. Many animals are dead because eating plastic. Don't use plastic to save the environment. Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm from grade 2D. Do you like my dress? Isn't it beautiful? And can you believe it? It's just made out of recycled materials. And I only used newspaper to make this beautiful dress. Thank you.